I mean, what has happened? Where is Neliswa, guys? Is she fading? Is the fact that she's losing interest in social media? Like, what's going on? Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. As I was doing the research for this video, I came across a video that was posted 5 years of Neliswa, Toli Kabashe, and the other guy. I'm like, Neliswa has been in the game for a long time. She understands the dynamics of this influencer marketing, content creation, and whatnot. But currently, Neliswa is kind of fading. I'm not saying that she's no longer active because we can see from Twitter she's been tweeting like, yeah, from Facebook, she has been sharing the post of her boyfriend, the Dawn, and also some. The last post that she owned was the event update. I don't know the name of the event. I forgot the name of the event. That was the last time she made something. On Instagram, the last time she had a feed, not stories. She has a feed. It was on the 18th of May, 2026. And I'm like, coming from the house, she was running social media. I mean, she had interviews about her relationship, about why she was evicted. She was on social media attending event. The last event that she was attending, I think it was Fabiana members only. Then the big question that I'm asking today in this video is Neliswa fading as like the fame of Big Brother goes? Let me first explain the fame of Big Brother. As we all know that each and every season there's a new housemate that fans will actually connect to them. And after a season, they kind of forget about you if you didn't make a lasting impact or lasting impression on them. That's a fact. There are few faves who are still like going and going. We're talking about Kosi, we're talking about Ashley, Sweet Guluva, Jojo, Uyanda. They're still going and going, while others, they're kind of fading into the limelight slowly but surely. In the next 5 years, we won't even remember them or even their names. So to me, I'm like, this girl came out with that much, like, it was a momentum. If you did physics, you know what momentum is. Like, she was delivering at a certain pace. And then the incident happened. She's no longer delivering. I don't know if it's an alleged incident happened and she's no longer delivering. Is she still healing? What's going on with Neliswa? That's the question I'm asking. Another thing that we have to look at it is that even though Neliswa has been in the industry for such long, she was active and then sometimes not active. Her work does not actually revolve too much around social media. I think one thing about her, social media is a platform where she once in a while she will update the fans that, okay, I'm still living, this is what I'm doing, and this is what I'm not doing. She is at Bokat FM. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. She's working as a morning show, Rise and Shine morning show, where I think the last post on social media about it was on the July 11th, 2026. And on YouTube, where she was constantly posting vlogs. I know, guys, YouTube is a lot. Like, YouTube is a lot in the sense that you put in the work, but you don't receive like the love that matches the work that you have put in. But for her, I feel like she was receiving that love on YouTube, getting like 72,000 views with the number of subscribers that she have. That was epic. I mean, people will not subscribe to your channel. They'll come and watch. You need to give them reason to subscribe to your channel. And if they don't find the reason, they will not subscribe. I'm talking from experience. I only gained over 300 subscribers from Big Brother content. But there are more than 8,000 people who are watching my content. And I'm not going to say that she is, she's just forgetting about us. I believe that there's more to give from her, but at the same time, algorithm love repetitive content. If you're not continue on posting and posting, eventually algorithm will forget about you, which will lead to people who were not actually real fans, who are still monitoring, who are still deciding. There are neutral people who follow you because they just want to be there. You know what I mean? So I just wish that we could know, Hori, Neliswa, what's going on. Those vlogs, those cute outfits that you were giving us, what happened to them? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next upload. Goodbye.